Hello what members, this is Melchi at your service, and once again we're here. We are going to discuss some topics that will enhance our experience with regards to trading. Okay, so right now what we're going to explore is the file menu tab. Right, so if you're going to click the file menu here, there's a drop down and certain options will be available. So to start off, the new chart, when you click on this one, you will have the option to choose what pair are you going to use. For the open file offline here, open offline, this is usually used to download the history of a certain currency pair, and then you can work on this when you want to backtest some EA or program. So by the way, the EA is an expert advisor that is mostly used for automation or for automated trading. For the open delete, when you have deleted some currency pairs, this is where you can retrieve. And for the profiles, this is actually the settings of your Mt4. So for example, what we have here is that we have on the Mt4 we have opened gold USD. So these are the gold USD, and then there's four gold USD with different time frames, and the GBP JPY, and also the Euro USD. So when we have saved that one, you can actually retrieve that or open that on the profiles. So as for this case, it's the pilgrim_1. So this setting is actually saved on this profile. So whenever I open or change the profile, I can just go back here if you wanted to see this kind of settings and tabs. So for the close, of course, this is for exiting the Mt4. The save as picture, this is actually to screenshot a certain chart or a certain workplace. And for the open data folder, this is where your files are available when you try to put some indicators or install some indicators, as well as EAs and profiles. This is where you go. And for the login to trade account, this is where you log in. For the login to web trader, this is actually by the way, for the login to trade account, this is for Mt4. For the login to web trader, this is for the web. You can also trade using the web or your browser. For the login to MQL5 community, this is for the community of traders. So that's basically it. What we have discussed is these are the usual tools or options that you'll be needing when you start trading. Alright, thank you for tuning in. See you again in the next videos. God bless.